We're going to Disneyland. And I don't even know if I am strong enough to walk that park without wanting to sit down every 5 minutes.
It is miles and miles apart, that's for sure. So you want to be able to get your walk on. That's, yeah.
So we have come to the conclusion that we need to get Disney Fit.
And we do need to be Disney Fit. We need to just be fit, but
So true.
Disney Fit is okay too.
Disney Fit and save money. Hello, everybody. This is Darren and Robin, and we've decided to get Disney Fit.
Oh, yes, Disney Fit. Yeah. And let me tell you, there's a reason for that. When you're walking the park on day one, and all of a sudden, you're like, I need to go back to the room because I can't walk anymore. And then day 2 becomes like a struggle, and day 3 is like, I don't even want to go there.
Day 1, no, I need to make sure I can get through the first 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So I have arthritis in my left knee, and most of the time I kind of baby it and it is fine. But walking the entire Disney park, I am kind of nervous about it. I had thought about actually renting like a stroller to just put all our stuff in and use it as like a counter, just like a help to walk. Something to lean on. But regardless of what we decide to do when we actually get there, we have 6 months to get Disney Fit, which means we're going to have to get into a routine. Not him, because he's fine. It's really me that needs to like strengthen my legs, my calves. Actually, what is this?
Your hip flexor.
The hip flexor, apparently, I found out, is like it really hurts when I walk. It's tight.
Super tight.
Yeah. So I'm going to be doing, Darren set up the treadmill in the garage. I'm going to be doing that every day, stretches every day. And we're just going to.
I got the heavy bag out there too. You could.
No.
No?
I won't be doing that.
All right. Well.
You're going to do that. He's going to do that. So he's just going to get fitter. And I am going to try to get fit, because really walking for a long period of time is going to be a challenge for me. It's a struggle. Yeah. So this is our journey on being able to go to Disney. One, we need to save money, make a budget, and save and plan for this trip. The second part of it is we need to get stronger, work out, and be able to physically do the trip. So yeah, we're inviting you to join our journey as we take 6 months to see if we can pull off.
And it doesn't take too long, I actually did a half marathon over in Disney in like 2000 whatever 13, I think it was.
So it was a while ago.
It was a while ago, but I trained for about 6 months to do it, and I had no problems doing it. And it was super hot. It was like June, so yeah. It was not a good time to be doing that. But my 2 daughters, or our 2 daughters, ran with us, so it was good.
Yeah. So we're planning on going the end of January, but we'll see. It's kind of, this kind of came out of nowhere. This trip came out of nowhere. For some reason, the morning we were talking about something, and I think I said something like, we haven't been in a while. We should maybe we should go. And by that afternoon,
I had numbers. I had like, well, this is how much we need.
This is where we're going. This is how much we're staying.
This is when.
Pretty much everything was set. Mm-hmm. So it kind of just came out of nowhere. I'm going to take that as a sign of yes.
Yeah.
You need to go to Disneyland and have a great time.
Mm-hmm. And be fit.
And be fit.
Mm-hmm.
So we invite you to join us on our journey. And did I mention it's a road trip? So we're going from Eugene, Oregon. We're going to drive all the way to Anaheim. It's going to be how long?
Oh, like 13 hours or so to get down there.
And
doable.
We are doing it. Mm-hmm. And we're going to drive straight from Eugene to Anaheim. And I am going to do some packing videos, some snack videos. We're going to do all the things. So it's going to be fun. I am trying to do, we want to do bougie on a budget. That is our goal.
And it's I think the biggest cost of going to Disneyland is the cost of food and stuff in the park. So what we're going to try to do is pack some snacks, pack some
Mhm.
lunches, pack some not. We'll do dinner
Yeah.
out there, but if we can stay hydrated and not be starving all day long, then I think we're going to have a great time, and it's going to be reasonably priced.
Yeah.
So
So we're going to share everything that we're doing, all of our snacks, the things that we're doing in the mornings to pre-make our breakfasts, pack our snack bags, and all of the things, all of the organization
yeah,
that is going into this trip. We will share with you here.
and we could also use some tips if you guys have any tips
Yeah.
on what you think would be good for snacks or
Actually, any Disneyland trips, we have not been
yeah, it's
since
been a
what,
while.
five
Oh,
years?
probably 5 years since
Okay,
we've
so
been.
we have not been to Disneyland in about 5 years.
Yeah, and it's a lot different. I know it is,
Yeah, it's a
but
lot different. We used to go at least once a year. So please share your best ideas and your best trip hints.
also some. If you got any hints for exercises,
Yeah,
we'll try anything right now. We have some time to um, get along, but that time goes fast.
it
It's
does.
6 months is not very long.
So I
So
did say that we're planning on the end of January, but
yeah,
we'll see. Anyway, we hope you join us. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time.
bye.